today I'm going to be doing some choreography that I made. So I'm going to be teaching you this, and then there's a part 2 because it's not just for rifle, it's for flag too. So you can add, it's part 1 for rifle, part 2 for flag, and the song that I'm using in this is Titanium by Sia. So I'm going to post it on my Instagram because I don't want to get copyrighted on here. So you'll see the finished product on Instagram if you want to make a post or something and tag me at Cammy Smith. That'd be great. So let's start with 45 that I taught in the last video. So you're standing here, right? And you're gonna go take a 45. Wait, you to the back. So you're gonna take a 45, right? Like this. And when you grab it, sometimes, most of the time, I do the 45, right? I just turn with it, but you can just do a little thing like this, turn, and then move on to the next part. So you would have to turn really quickly if you decide to catch it in a cornstarch. But that's cool. So the next thing that's gonna happen is after you catch, right when you catch, you gotta stir. So just a little cone, stir the pot up. And then I think this is pretty fun. So it's like this. You take it flat, and then you bring it back in, and you take a clock, and then you go like this. So from the top, catch, smooth, flat. Bring your finger in all the way around. Put your hand on the neck, so it's like you're catching your hand with your neck. Catching the neck of the rifle. You should grab it like this. And your hand is like this. And you just bring it in so you make a little picture. So after here, you slide here, 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 here. And you're gonna do a butt toss. So you're gonna dip. So after you do this, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go here, and you're gonna toss out a double and a half. So that, you're gonna catch that, and then you're gonna do my favorite trick ever of the strap thingy, and then it's a strap toss at the end. So you're gonna go out with the strap, you're gonna go out, over, back, center. So with the strap, you're gonna go out, over, back, center. So all the way fast, it would look like this. And after the strap goes around, you're gonna do a tiny little pop. So you're gonna go here, here, here. And it just goes halfway around. It doesn't go like a full spin. So it's like right here. So it just goes here and it comes here. And you grab it with your right hand. So you're gonna go here, 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 here. And then you grab it. So from the top, let's take it from the top. You're gonna go out, catch, spin, drop, and window, butt toss, catch, right, and then strap toss. And then after that, after the strap toss, an attitude. So the attitude just goes like this, right? If you know what I mean. So from here, you're gonna go here, 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 here. And all you're doing in the air is like a little cone. So let's take that part together real quick, and then you can take water or you can review on your own. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, take a water break, come back. Okay, so let's take it. Out, catch, turn, down, and window. Butt toss. Catch, swing all the way around, turn. Back down. So, after you take it back to flat, right, you're going to do this little jump. So, it's going to go up, down, hit to the side, hit to the side. So you're gonna go turn here behind your neck, turn 4 times, out, back to second, out, back into the second, and then it's just it's not that complicated, it's just a lot of extra stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your right hand that's on the neck, you're gonna push that out, right? It's gonna go behind your head, right? And then you're gonna go little leg, tiny little leg. You could do either like a little dégagé, right? Or you can do a full-on like leg all the way up to your head. I don't know. Whatever you feel like is best for you. So again, from here, you're gonna go out, side, over, so a little point, back, and out. And then for this, you can either throw like a triple or a quad. But so after you go here, right, you're gonna grab at mid two, and you're gonna put your leg up, and then you're gonna go like this. So this is the same motion. Altogether, it would look like this. And while you're doing that, you're gonna go here, 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 here. So, it may look complicated at first. So, from here, 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 throw a triple, throw a quad, whatever. Taking a single for now. Let's take the whole thing together, really slowly, and then we'll move on to the last little teeny part of the thing. So, it will go out, catch, cone, flat, out, window, out, butt, tip, butt toss. And then you're throwing, then strap around, catch, right? Then you're gonna go little attitude, grab, up, down, 4 starts, out, point, down, and over, mid 2, rainbow, down, out. So during like either if you do a quad or a triple, there's this part of the song that says ricochet. So you're gonna go here for ricochet, basically it's pointing at you. Or you can go to the side, doesn't really matter. That's specific. So here or here, doesn't matter. I feel like here you get more like, people can see what you're doing. So you're gonna toss it and you're gonna go. Right? And then for the last part, you're just gonna put it on the ground, turn around, and it towards your head. So your one foot goes back first, right? Right. One foot, and then you kick the other foot back. And then you're gonna lean, and then come back up. It's the lyrics. And then you're gonna put your elbow down, and then you're gonna move on to the flat part. Right? So take 20 seconds for review, and then come back. get a bit faster. And then you can go to my Instagram at Cammy Spins. I'll put it right here. And you can go ahead and look at it there, or if you have an idea of what it looks like already, then you can go ahead and post your versions of the video, and you can tag me here at Cammy Spins. So let's take it together. The accounts will be more clear when I post the video on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there, because copywriting here is crazy. Alright. Out, catch, spin, down, and window, butt, tip, out, catch. Catch. Up, for search, out, down, out, whirl, up, down, out, catch, down, and then lean back, pick up your rifle, and then put it down for the black marks. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Comment your favorite color in the comments, and then subscribe. Okay, thank you.